Alright, so we're going to be doing an attempted repair for Alicia Page. One shingle in the middle right there. Gonna put in this new one, see what happens. Although we've got a repair attempt right here and right there, or not a repair attempt, actual repairs from the past where they clearly failed. But, you know, we'll do another repair. Whew. Right next to that bathroom exhaust.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's the bathroom.
Ooh, man, yeah, you can tell that.
It is the bathroom.
Whew. Yeah.
Ever.
As this one shows, just as that one shows, just as this one shows, which these are all past repairs. But yeah, the roof is clearly not repairable.